Good morning everyone, my name is Kamya and I am a third year student. Today I will be showing you Gado Gado Salad, which is from Indonesia. So I have already done the mise pla, which is boiling beans, sprouts, blanching spinach, boiled eggs and fresh cucumber. Boiled egg is totally optional. Now let's come make the dressing for the Gado Gado. So right now we are going to make dressing for the Gado Gado, which is consist of 5 ingredients that are coconut milk, ketchup, mayonnaise, peanut butter, Thai red curry paste. So right now we are going to mix it with a whisk so it becomes a thick paste. So as you can see that it has become a thick paste. So now we'll turn off the gas and top it up with some lime juice and finish it. Now our dressing is prepared and I'll be adding it to the salad. Now for the extra crunch, we will be adding some crushed peanuts. And now our Gado Gado salad is ready.